The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is an upgrade over the previous generation Galaxy S23 Ultra in almost every way. The S24 Ultra has a similar design to the S23 Ultra with separated camera rings and squared-off corners. However, this year the screen is flat rather than curved, and the frame is made of titanium instead of aluminum. The back has a smooth satin-like finish, and it has IP68 dust and water resistance. The S24 Ultra has a 6.8-inch QHD AMOLED display with a 120 Hz refresh rate. The display is brighter than the S23 Ultra, and it is now better suited to screen protector use due to the flat display. The bezels are slimmer this time around, and the display is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass Victus, which is supposed to be up to 4 times tougher against scratches and impact. The S24 Ultra is powered by the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset. It is a customized version with a slightly higher clocked prime CPU core. The phone comes with 256 GB, 512 GB, or 1 TB of storage. Battery. The S24 Ultra is powered by a 5000 mAh battery, the same as the previous generation. The new model did perform a bit better though, with small improvements in screen-on-time tests and an overall active use score of 13 hours and 49 minutes. It supports 45W fast charging and wireless charging. The S24 Ultra has a 200-megapixel main camera, a 10-megapixel 3x zoom camera, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and a new 50-megapixel 5x zoom camera. The main camera takes great-looking photos with nice colors and excellent detail. The new 5x zoom camera is a nice improvement over the S23 Ultra's 3x zoom camera. It takes detailed photos with minimal noise. The Galaxy S24 Ultra records video in up to 8K at 30 FPS with both its main camera and 5x telephoto. The other cameras can record in 4K. Video quality is generally great in broad daylight and good in low light. Overall, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is a worthy upgrade over the Galaxy S23 Ultra.